Hi everyone, is my voice audible? Yeah, is my voice audible? Okay, can we start our class? Is my voice audible? Can anyone respond? Can anyone respond to chat box? Is my voice audible? Okay, thank you for the response. Let us start. Okay, first one, missing number or missing series. Actually, this concept is very important. If you consider any SSC exams or RRB exams or any recruitment exams, definitely we get some questions from missing numbers. Today, let us discuss some common patterns. But before discussing the common patterns, we should be thorough with 1 to 30 squares. So you can have an outlook of 1 to 30 squares. You can take a screenshot of this one if you want. 1 to 30 squares. Okay, next we should also be thorough with 1 to 20 cubes. You should buy her these. Okay, let us discuss the first question. This is the first one. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So, based on all the numbers we should answer, we should fill what comes under question mark in place of question mark. there are two ways of solving this one. First, we can go through column wise, or we can go through row wise also. Now if you observe, here in between we have big numbers, so that means multiplication is involved. So 58, 99, and question mark. So this indicates that we should go through row wise. So if you observe row wise, we have 5, 58, and 11. So 5, 58, and 11 means first you can multiply 5 and 11. If we multiply 5 and 11, we get 55, but we have 58 there. So let us add 3 to it. 55 plus 3, 58. Now we are getting the answer. Let us check whether the logic follows for second row also or not. If we multiply 12 and 8, we get 12 into 8 as 96. So 12 into 8 is 96. And now again we should add 3 to it. So if we add 3 to it, it becomes 99. So 96 plus 3, that is equal to 99. The same logic we can follow here also. So if you observe that third row, it is 16 question mark 7. So what can be that question mark value? Based on the same logic, can anyone try this one? What is the value of question mark? Can anyone reply what can be the answer? You should multiply first and third number, and also you should add 3 to it, so that we will be getting second number. Now this becomes 16 into 7 plus 3. So 16 into 7 plus 3. 16 into 7 means it is equal to 112. 112 plus 3. 112 plus 3 means 115. Last option is the answer. So D is the correct answer. Can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Okay, next question. Just take around 1 to 2 minutes of time and try to solve this one. Here, big numbers are there in column wise. So first it is 125, and next it is 203. So it means you should calculate this column wise. 10, 15, and 125. 11, 18, and 203. 16, 21 question mark. We should fill that question mark value. What can be the value of question mark in that if you check for column wise? I already told you to remember squares and cubes, so this is based on squares and cubes concept only. We have 125. So I'll give you one example. You try to find question mark. So it is nothing but, let us take 15 square, 15 square and 10 square. 15 square is 225. 15 square is 225. 10 square is 100. So if you subtract those two, we will be getting 125, which is in third place. Now, if you check for the second column, we have 11, 18, and 203. So 11, 18, and 203 means 18 square minus 11 square. 18 square minus 11 square. 18 square is 324. 11 square is 121. So if you subtract those two, you will be getting 203. Now, in the same way, can anyone answer what is 1621 and question mark? Can you comment in the chat box what can be the answer? Based on the same logic, we have 16, 21 and question mark. So it is nothing but 21 square minus 16 square. So 21 square minus 16 square gives us the answer. 21 square is 441. 16 square is 256. So if you subtract those both, you will be getting 185, which is the correct answer. So our answer for this one is option B. Option B is the correct answer. 441 minus 256, which is just subtraction of squares. Okay, can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Next one. Yes, 185 is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next one. Now you can see a big number here, 112, and also 26. 26 is greater than the other three numbers. 19 is greater than the other three numbers. So it indicates that you should check this row wise. Just remember this trick. Whenever we have greater number, just compare it with other rows. Then you will get the logic. So here 26 is greater in the first row. 112 is greater in the second row. 19 is greater in the third row. So you should just go row wise for this one. We have 26, we have 112, we have 19. So just try to do how to do. Okay, we have 19 here. So let us go with this logic because 19 is smallest number. We have 5 here. Just add these two, or you can add all the three. If you add all the three, you will be getting 14, but we have 19 there. So let us do this. We will multiply these two. 7 into 2 is 14. And we have 5. So let us add that one. 7 into 2, 14 plus 5, which is 19. So we are getting some logic here in this. Now in the same way, let us try for the first one also. Let us multiply these two. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 8 gives us 26. So here also it is satisfied. Next, 9 into 12, 108. 108 plus 4, it is 112. So here also it is getting satisfied. And now try to do for the last one, 964 question mark. What can be the answer? 33. Okay, let us check. Okay, let us check. So 6 into 4, 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 is 33. So 33 is the correct answer. Here the logic is you should multiply second and third columns and you should add it to the first one. It gives us the last one, fourth one. That is the logic. Okay, let us go to the next one. Next one. So here also we have greatest number to the last. This is the last one. And here we have 246. So it also indicates that we should check the logic row wise. 15, 3 and 252. 11, 5 and 246. 9, 6 question mark. Just remember one thing, whenever you have big numbers like this, 15, 3, 252, definitely some squares or cubes are involved. So you should check based on that one, based on squares and cubes. 117. Okay, let us check. So we have 15, 3 and 252. 15 square is 225, which is somewhat nearest to 252. So 15 square is 225. We have 252 there. So if you subtract 252 and 225, if we subtract 252 and 225, we will be getting 27 here. So 27 means it is 3 cube. 27 means 3 cube. Next, if we follow the same logic, we can add these two. If we follow the same logic, 11 square plus 5 cube. Let us check whether the logic follows or not. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. Next, 5 cube is 125. If we add those two, we will be getting 246. So it satisfies the logic. First number square plus second number cube gives us the third number. Here also it is correct. Here also it is correct. So in the same way, we should check for the third row also. Third row. We have 9, 6 in question mark. 297. Okay, let us check. 9 square plus 6 cube. Yeah, 9 square is 81 and 6 cube is 216. So if we add these, we get 7, 9 and 2. So it is equal to 297. 297 is the correct answer. The logic here is first number square plus second number cube gives us the third number. Okay, let us go to the next one. Next question. Yes, 297 is the answer for the previous one. Next question. So you can observe here 42, 30 and 46. 42, 30 and 46. As I said previously, if you have greater number here and lesser numbers to the above one, then automatically it means that you should solve this column wise. That is the indication. You should solve this column wise. We have 46 here, so column wise. Second and third, you can ignore for some time because this is missing number. This is also missing number. So you should be thorough with this logic first. First one, 686 gives us 42. So how can 686 gives us 42? Can anyone tell? 686. The combination of 6, 8 and 6 gives us 42. So how can 686 gives us 42? We can use multiplication, we can use subtraction, we can use addition. Here cube or squares are not involved because the 42 is just smaller number. 6 into 8 minus 6. Okay, yes, perfect. 6 into 8 minus 6. So just multiply 6 into 8. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into 8 gives us 48. So 48 minus 6 gives us 42. That is the logic here. So based on the same logic, what will which number comes in place of question mark? Here and also here. Yes, that is the logic. 6 into 8 minus 6. Option C. Okay, let us check. C. Okay. Yeah, 48 minus 6, which is 42. Okay, let us check what can be the answer. So in the same way, 9 into what minus 6 gives us 30. So first question mark gives us 9 into what gives us minus 6. We have options like 4, 5, 4 and 2. Okay, let us check with 4. 9 into 4 minus 6. 9 into 4 is 36. 36 minus 6 gives us 30. So first question mark value is 4. First question mark value is 4. Now we are left with two options. Next, second question mark value. So second question mark value means it is 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. 48 minus what gives us 46. 48 minus 2 gives us 46. So answer is 4 and 2, which is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, 4 and 2 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. The logic here is just multiply first and second. Multiply first and second and subtract third one from that product. Just multiply 9 into 4 gives us 36. 36 minus 6 gives us 30. 8 into 6, 48. 48 minus 2 gives us 46. So answer for this one is 4 and 2. Okay, next one. Here also it is almost the same. We have 30 here So 30 means again you should check this column wise. We have 5, 2 and 1. Next it is 3, 4, 5 gives us 50. 7, 1 and 5 gives us what? 75. Okay. So let us check. The logic here is we have 5, 2 and 1 gives us 30. So 30 is nearer to 5 square. 30 is nearer to 5 square because 5 square we know that it is 25. So 5 square equal to 25. Still 5 is remaining. So 5 is remaining means 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. And also 1 square equal to 1. So just they are squaring it and they are adding it. 25 plus 4 plus 1, 30. 3 square. 3 square is 9. Next 4 square. 4 square is 16. Next 5 square is 25. They are squaring it and they are adding it. So 9 plus 16 plus 25 gives us 50. Next, in the same way, 7 square plus 1 square plus 5 square will be our answer. 7 square is 49. 1 square is 1. 5 square is 25. So if we add all those, 50 plus 25, 75. So 75 is the correct answer. Yes, 75. Logic here is just they are squaring the numbers and they are adding them. Okay, next one. A star is given. Last option is triple four. Okay, I'll give you a small clue. This is based on cubes. This is based on cubes. You can divide it like this. So here it is 11. Next 28. 2 cube is 8. 1 cube is 1. 3 cube is 27. 5 cube is 125. So what can be the answer? 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 5 cube is 125. The blank here gives us 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. So 464 is the correct answer. Just the number beside that we should take its cube, which is 64. So 464 is the correct answer. Okay, can I go to the next one? Is everyone clear with this? Okay, next one. We have 11, 44, 22, and 33. And next is 16, 40, 32, and 24. 23, 34, 12 question mark. We have 110 in between these numbers. So what you should do means first try to add all these numbers: 11 plus 44 plus 33 plus 22 plus 11. If you add all the numbers, we will be getting 110. Now in the same way, 16 plus 40 plus 32 plus 24 gives us 112. So question mark, let us take this as x. X plus 12 plus 34 plus 23 gives us 114. So what is that unknown value? That is the question. Just add all the numbers. So after adding, it should be 114, 114. So if we add all those numbers and if we subtract from 114, we will be getting the final answer as 45. So first try to add all the numbers: 34 plus 23 plus 12 and subtract it from 114 because the middle number is the total sum. So that will be equal to 45. So if explicit is 45 and if you add all the numbers, it will be equal to 114. That is the correct answer. Okay, next one. So I'll tell you one logic how to do. Next you try to do it. 51 divided by 3. We know that 51 divided by 3 is 17. 51 by 3 is 17, but we have 71 here. So exactly the reverse of 17, reverse of digits. In the same way, let us check for 64 and 4. 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4 is 16, but we have exactly the reverse of digits, which is 61. So in the same way, if we apply the same logic, what will be in place of question mark? That is the question. What can be the value in that place of question mark? Just divide first and third. Next, reverse those digits. That will be the answer. Last option is 74. Can anyone tell what is the answer? Yeah, last option is 74. 235 divided by 5. Just divide 74. Okay, let us check. 235 divided by 5. First, you should divide first and third. So 235 divided by 5 means it gives us 47. It gives us 47. So you should reverse 47. If we reverse 47, it becomes 74. Yes, 47 is the answer and reverse is 74. So that is the answer, which is option D. Okay, next question. So if you observe, we have 24 in middle, which is the largest number. We have 24 here. Next, we have 11 also in the same column. Okay, 24 is here. 11 is also here. And if you check for the options are also greater than 10 and 12. So it indicates that you should be solving this row wise. You should be solving this row wise. So 7, 24, and 8. 7, 24, and 8. Next, 10 question mark and 12. 5, 11, and 6. Okay, I'll give you one small clue how to solve this. We have 24 there. So just multiply first and last. 7 into 8. 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56. Suppose if we just divide it by 2, that is equal to 28. But we have 24 there. Next, we have 5 and 6. I'm speaking about the third row, 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 means it is 5 into 6. Again, I'm just halving it. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 divided by 2, it is 15. But there we have 11. So what they are doing means they are multiplying first and third. They are dividing it by 2 and also they are subtracting 4 from it. So 28 minus 4 is 24. 15 minus 4 is 11. So in the same way, what can be the answer for that question mark? Multiply first and third, divide it by 2 and subtract 4. That will be the answer. If anyone got the answer, just comment it in the comment box. Multiply first and third, divide it by 2, subtract 4 from it. That will give us the final answer. 56, okay. 10 into 12, 10 into 12 is 120. 120 by 2, it is 60. So 60 minus 4. 60 minus 4 is 56. So 56 is the correct answer. Okay, next one. I'll explain this question. So first we have two set of diagrams. In that, figure 1 and figure 2 both are saying the same logic. So if they follow the same logic, question mark means what? That is the question. As this is new one, I'll only explain this one. So we have 120 here. First try to add 120, means again this is the greatest number. So 77 plus 163. Just add these two. 77 plus 163 gives us 240. It gives us 240. So 240 divided by 2 gives us 120. Here the logic is same. Next, let us check for this one. 97 and 87. 97 plus 87 gives us 184. 184 by 2, it is equal to 92. So here also it is the same logic. Here also it is correct only. So based on the same logic, we should just add these two. 81 plus 63, and we should half it. We should divide it by 2. So if we add those two and if we divide it by 2, then what is the answer? Just add those two. Here what they are doing is they are adding first and third number and they are dividing it by 2. It is given in the second place. So just add first and third. If we add first and third, 72, okay. Yeah, if we add first and third, it gives us 144. So 144, we should half it. We should divide it by 2. So 144 divided by 2, it gives us 72. So 72 is the correct answer. In our exams, we can expect these type of questions also. Yes, 144 by 2, which is 72. Yes. Okay, next one. All these are new set of questions. I picked these questions from different exams. So this might be something new. I'll give you a small clue. This question is based on squares of the numbers. This question is based on squares of the numbers. At the beginning of the class, I showed you 1 to 30 squares. So if you are aware of that, then you can easily solve this one. We have 5, 2, 9, 23, 3, 6, 1, 19, 8, 4, 1 question mark. Can anyone guess what can be the answer? Okay, I'll give you a small clue. 23 square. 23 square is 529. 5, 2 and 9. That is 23 square. 19 square is 361. 3, 6 and 1. So in the same way, what will come in place of question mark? That is the question. We have 841. From the options, which number square is 841? Which number square gives us 841? That is the question. Answer for this one is 29. 29 square gives us 841. So that is the answer. Yes, 841. 849. 841 means it is 29 square. Option B. Yes, 29 square is 841. Yes, option D is the correct answer. 29. Okay. So why 29? Okay, so whenever you find numbers like this, here we can observe that last column is more. So here 33 is more. Next, 29 is more. So it indicates that we should solve this row wise. So I'll give you a small clue. Just subtract 33 and 17. Subtract 33 and 17. 33 minus 17. 33 minus 17 gives us 16. Just find what is the relation between this 8 and 16. Next, second one, 29 minus 5. 29 minus 5 is 24. Again, find what is the relation between 12 and 24. If you understood the logic, then you can easily answer this question mark value. Subtract 33 and 17, subtract 29 and 5, subtract question mark and 13. It will be somewhere related to 10. Based on that one, you should answer this question. Okay, so let us check how to do. This question mark value 33 minus 17 gives us 16. So this 16 is nothing but 8 into 2. 8 into 2 gives us 16, double of first one. Next 24. 24 means it is 12 into 2, which is 24. So in the same way, if we check for the third one, third row, we have question mark there. So it is nothing but 10 into 2. 10 into 2. 33. Okay. 10 into 2 is 20. 20 plus 13. 20 plus 13 gives us 33. Just multiply first number with 2 and add it with the second one. Again, here also 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 13, 33. So 33 is the correct answer. Yes, 33. Double the first column and add it with the second column, and gives us the third one. Yes, 33 minus 13, which is 20. Half of 20 is 10. Yes. Next question. This is a bit tricky question as this is new to you. I'll explain this one. You just remember the logic because if you find this logic in exam, it will be easy to you. I'll explain this one. This is a new one. This is recently asked. So here what we should do means we should multiply the digits. 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. Next, 7 into 0. 7 into 0 is 0. So 35 minus 0. 35 minus 0 is 35. So 35 is the correct answer. Next, in the same way, 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 1 is 2. Just subtract those two. Multiply the digits and subtract them. 16 minus 2 is 14. So in the same way, if we find it, then what can be the value of question mark? Once again, I am repeating, multiply the digits. Multiply the digits. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 1, 2. 16 minus 2 is 14. So 14 is the answer. In the same way, what can be the answer for third row? Multiply the digits and subtract them. 26, okay. 26, okay, let us check. So multiply the digits. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32. Next, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So 32 minus 6. 32 minus 6 is 26, which is the correct answer. The logic here is multiply the digits. 4 into 8, 32. 2 into 3, 6. 32 minus 6 is 26. So option D is the correct answer. This is a new set of question. You can mark this. I'll give the options here separately. So first option is 72, second option is 78, third option is 108, and last option is 90. These are the options. Did anyone got the answer? Once try to do. Okay, I'll tell you the logic here. First, try to add all the numbers which are outside. 4 plus 9 plus 6. 4 plus 9 plus 6. 4 plus 9 plus 6 gives us 19. We have 38 there. Next, 8 plus 11 plus 9 gives us 28. We have 56 there. Next, 12 plus 11 plus 13. Based on that, you should find the logic. Did anyone got the answer? 4 plus 9 plus 6 gives us 19. If we add all the outside numbers, we get 19. But inside we have 38, which is double of 19. Sum plus, first you should add all the numbers, next you should multiply it by 2. Next, 8 plus 11 plus 9, we have 28. You can multiply it with 2, double of that one. Next, 12 plus 11 plus 13 gives us 36. So 36 into 2, double of that one. So double of that one is 72. So 72 is the correct answer. Add all the outside numbers and multiply it with 2. It will gives us the inside number. Okay, next one. So this is also a new set of question. I will explain all the new set of questions to you. If you get the almost the same in your exam, then you try to do. Okay, this is another one. First, subtract these. Subtract first and third. Subtract first and third, we will be getting 1. Next, add it to the second row, which gives us 1 plus 8, 9. Again, other thing also you should do the same. 7 and 4, you should subtract. You will be getting 3. Add it to the second row. It gives us 3 plus 10, 13. So in the same way, try to find what is question mark mean. Yes, 72 is the answer for the previous one. 36 into 2, yes. 15, okay. Just subtract these. 9 and 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Add the 3 to the second number. 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. So 15 is the correct answer. Yes, 15 is the correct answer. 15, yes. Subtract first and third, add it to the second number. Gives us the fourth one. Okay, next one. So this is also same like the previous question what we did earlier. Next one, 17th question. I'll just tell you how to do. Similar to the previous one. So similar to the previous one means multiply the digits. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 2 into 3 is 6. We did almost the same. So 20 and 6. Add those two, you'll be getting 26. Next, 3 into 2 gives us 6. 4 into 6 gives us 24. Add those two, you will be getting 30. In the same way, try to find what is the value of question mark. Multiply the digits, add it with the first one. You will be getting the second one. First plus third gives us the second one. 50, okay, let us check. 50, okay. Okay, let us check. So just multiply these two. 5 into 2 gives us 10. Next, 5 into 8 gives us 40. So 10 plus 40 gives us 50, which is the correct answer. Add those numbers. 10 plus 40 gives us 50. So 50 is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Again, you should check row wise here because 11 is greatest number. We have 3 and 2. Next question mark and 6 we have 13. Next one 3 and 5 we have 23. First, let us check by multiplying them as we have 23, 3 into 5. 3 into 5 gives us 15. 3 into 5 gives us 15. But we have 23 there. We know that 3 into 5 is 15 and 23 means we should just add 8 to it. Add 8 to it. 15 plus 8 gives us 23. But why they are adding 8, you should check that one. We have 3 and 5. Okay, let us assume that they are adding 3 and 5. First, they are multiplying 3 into 5. Next, they are adding 3 plus 5. Let us assume that this is the logic and let us check. Okay, 3 into 5 is 15. 3 plus 5 is 8, which is equal to 23. That logic is satisfying here. Check with the first one also. Check with the first one also. 3 into 2 plus 3 plus 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. They are multiplying the digits, they are adding the digits, and they are adding those both. So first multiply question mark and 6. Did anyone got the answer? 3 into 5 plus 3 plus 5 gives us 23. They are multiplying the numbers, they are adding the numbers, and they are also taking the sum of those. Option D. Okay, 1. Okay. Okay, let us take that as 1. So the logic says that 1 into 6 plus 1 plus 6. First, they are multiplying the numbers. Next, they are adding the numbers. So 1 into 6 plus 1 plus 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 plus 7 should give us the answer. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. We have 13 there. That means in place of question mark, we should be having 1. So 1 is the correct answer, which is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Option C 9. Okay. What is the logic? Why? Why option C 9? Okay, so add these two. 43 plus 17. 43 plus 17 gives us 60. We have 6 there. What they are doing means they are adding sum of the digits. 6 plus 0. So 6 plus 0 means that is equal to 6. Next, 23 plus 18. Just add these numbers. 23 plus 18 gives us 41. 4 plus 1 is 5. Sum of the digits. Next, 32 plus 13. 32 plus 13 gives us 45. 45 means 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 value is 9. Sum of the digits. Answer for this one is 9. Okay, next one. So I'll explain this one. Whenever you find greatest number like this 464, 904 and 1, there is no comparison between these numbers. There is no comparison between these numbers because 464, 1 and 904. Next, 385, 13 and 12. So if you find such numbers, then definitely it is involved with some of the digits. Just remember one thing, it is involved with some of the digits. First add all the digits. 4 plus 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6 plus 4 gives us 14. Whenever you find 464, this is triple digit number, this is also a triple digit number, this is a single digit number. So whenever you find numbers like this, then definitely some of the digits is involved. Next, 9 plus 0 plus 4 gives us 13. So 14 and 13, we got 14 and 13. We have 1 here. It indicates that they are subtracting first and third. 14 minus 13 gives us 1. So in the same way, add all the numbers of all the digits of 3, 8 and 5. Next, add all the digits of 1 and 3. Subtract them, then you will be getting the middle one. Is my voice audible? Can anyone respond? Is my voice clearly audible? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Option 2, okay. Option C 2, okay. Let us check. 3, 6, 9. First, add all these digits. It gives us 18. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 gives us 18. Next, 4 plus 4 plus 8 gives us 16. 18 minus 16. 18 minus 16 gives us 2. Just subtract these two. It gives us 2. So option C is the correct answer. Add all the digits, sum of the digits, and subtract first and third gives us the second one. Yes, 18 minus 16, that is the answer. Okay, next one. We have 65. We have 65 in between. So 65 we can write it as the product of 5 into 13. 13 into 5 gives us 65. It is very common thing. 13 into 5 gives us 65. We don't get frequently for 65 like this product of two numbers. You can check in two table, three table, four table, six table, seven table. We will not get any factors of 65. You can just multiply 5 and 13. So just find in place of 9, 4, 7 and 6 where we can get 5 and 13. It means we are subtracting 9 and 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, 7 plus 6 is 13. 5 into 13 is 65. Now if we follow the same logic, subtract first numbers 15 and 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. Next, add last two numbers 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. So 10 into 8 gives us 80. 2 plus 6 is 8. 15 minus 5 is 10. They are multiplying those two. 10 into 8 gives us 80. So in the same way, can anyone tell what can be the answer for the first one? What is the answer for question mark? Subtract the first numbers, add the last two numbers, multiply them. You'll get the answer. 48. Okay. So 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 gives us 2. 16 plus 8 gives us 24. 16 plus 8 gives us 24. Multiply them. 2 into 24. 2 into 24 gives us 48, which is the correct answer. 48. It is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, 48. Okay, let us solve one last question. Yes, 48. 48 is the correct answer. Okay, let us check how to do. So we have 24, 6 and 11. divide these two. First divide these two, 20 and 4. So if we divide 20 by 4, we will be getting 5. We have 11 there. Just add these two. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. Next, 72 divided by 4. 72 divided by 4 gives us 18. So after dividing them, add 12 to it. It gives us 30. So in the same way, 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 gives us 20. So 20 plus what gives us 25? That is the question. 20 plus 5 gives us 25. So 5 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Till now we solved 22 questions. Is everyone clear with this? 22. Okay, so we covered 22 questions in this class. And now I'm giving you 3 questions to practice: 23, 24, and 25. Just check them. Based on this 22 questions, I'm giving you 3 questions to practice: 23, 24, and 25. I'll display the questions. You just take a screenshot of that one. Just take, okay, yeah, 5 is the answer. You just take screenshot of these questions. Just take a screenshot of all the 3 questions and try to practice them. If you get the answer, you comment on this video. Because still now we discussed, this is a two-way communication, but you should practice them. So I'm just showing you the 23rd, 24th, and 25th questions. You practice them. Okay, this is 23rd question. 23rd. Take a screenshot of this one. 23rd. We have 2 question marks in this. You should find that one. Can I go to the next question? 24th. If you took a screenshot, just comment yes so that I'll go to the next question. 24th. Okay, next one. 24th. This is 24th question. Take a screenshot of that one. Next, 25th question. This is the last question. So with this 22 questions knowledge, you try to do 23, 24, and 25 what I displayed. After getting the answer, you can comment the answer. Otherwise, you can send it to me so that I'll tell you the correct answer. In our next class, we will discuss a new topic. I hope everyone understood this. We will end this class. Thank you.